Yes. Yes. Hello, beautiful viewers on YouTube. I'm finally back with a new video and I'm updating you guys. So I'm going to do a makeup touch-up as I talk to you about what's been going on in my life. So I'm going to be using these awesome products that are from Amazon. I'll link them below and I'll link my storefront for you guys to shop the latest outfits and makeup and my faves. I'm putting on some Derma Blend setting powder. This is in Intense Powder Camo Olive 50 in. So you're probably like, Carla, where have you been? Great question. I've been streaming on Amazon Live practically, well, actually every day of the week. So my schedule on there is Monday through Friday. Right now I'm going in with my Derma Blend Compact Setting Powder. This stuff is amazing. I'm on there Monday through Friday right now, 11 a.m. Central Time and 12 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'm applying this setting powder underneath my eyes because you can see I'm really oily. This is like a mask makeup touch-up. I think we all have to do this after we take off our mask. And honestly, I did my makeup way earlier in the day. So I like to put on some loose setting powder, mattify my face, put on a little bit of powder, and then that is pretty much my touch-up. I'm going to go in with my Buxom Wanderlust blush in Dolly. Oh, since I've been gone, I've got a new camera. I've been just doing a lot on Amazon Live, so definitely follow me on there. I'll link below my storefront, and when you follow me on my storefront, you'll get notifications when I'm on live. So I'm just touching up this blush a bit with this amazing Sigma Contour Slash Blush Brush. I'll link it all below on my storefront. You'll find brushes, holiday gifts, literally clothing, everything that you could think of. It's a lot of fun, so follow me. I'm so happy to be back here on YouTube though, so let me know in the chat how everyone's been, if you have any video requests, and I'm going to let you guys know what I've been up to. So I've been on, like I said, this is the makeup touch-up, final results. Oh, one more thing. Let's put on a little bit of lip balm. I'm going to use this Buxom Powerful Plump Extreme Lip Balm. Okay, this is by Buxom and Big O. This lip balm has a bit of a tingle and it leaves your lips real nice and tinted. I absolutely love this lip balm. You guys will too. I'll link it all below. So with that being said, my Amazon Live channel link will be below. Be sure to tune in though Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Central Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Time, and 9 a.m. Pacific Time every week. Also, I'm on Fridays for Fashion Finds Friday. Every Friday on Amazon Live at 8 p.m. Central Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, and 6 p.m. Pacific Time. I'm getting really good at the times, you guys. I say it all the time while I'm live, but I just really have been so busy moving. Not now, but previously. It took so long, my move, you guys. You can probably tell I'm in a whole new environment. So I want to do an apartment tour. I said that was on the way, but you guys just got to give me time to just finish finalizing, unpacking boxes, and getting my furniture. My furniture is still on the way because I was patient and I want to wait till I get the furniture I really, really want. And you guys, I'm so happy to be here. I mean, there's just been so much going on in Amazon Live, so follow me on there because I'm still, you know, making content, beauty content, fashion content. I'm just kind of transitioning to other things too, to expand just from YouTube. You guys know I've been on here so long. A lot of people say like you're an OG beauty influencer. I'm one of the first, you know, beauty influencers who like look like me as a teenager who was giving you guys all those beauty tips and fashion ideas and things. And I just looked at my mirror over here. Hey, just kidding. And I've had so much growth on Amazon Live in such a short period of time. So if you are interested in Amazon products, which I'm sure we all shop on Amazon, follow me on there, mark your calendars. Again, Monday through Friday, I'm on there live. We can chat, shop, and have so much fun. It's literally like a live makeup party. Speaking of live makeup parties, I've been loving this Ultimate Lip Party set from Buxom. I'm just choosing to share with you these products because I share them on live all the time, and I feel like you guys have been missing out on this makeup and this fashion. So I just want to let you guys know to move over to that platform and follow me. I'm still going to post YouTube content, but this is just a big update because it's just been so long. So long. I miss you guys. Really, seriously though, let me know how you're doing in the comments. Let me know if you have any requests or what videos have you been watching lately on YouTube. I've just been having so much fun on Amazon Live, making all my content, sharing with you guys everything. And you know, I am always posting on my community tab. I basically moved across the entire country and now I'm in a brand new location. I absolutely love it here. It's like warm year round. So shout out to the warm weather states. I see you. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, it's just a whole lot of growth and I'm really excited to be on YouTube with you guys, sharing with you this update. You guys can follow me on Instagram as well at Beauty by Carla. And this is just a quick little chat. Really though, why I wasn't posting is because of my move. So you guys have to keep in mind, when I was moving, I basically had no time in my house because people were looking at it all day. So whenever they were looking at it, I had to leave. And then I was just literally sitting in my car or at my friend's house, and it was just so draining, you guys. Have no idea. The process was just too much. It finally sold. I finally moved. And moving across the country is a huge process. I literally was in a U-Haul for like 16 plus hours. Then I had to unpack. Then I had to go to stores. Then I had to do this and this and this. And I'm finally just now getting settled into my routine. So I didn't really want to rush back into YouTube. I wanted to make sure I was ready to come back on and share with you guys this content. So I do want to post at least one video every 2 weeks. So you guys will have consistent content. But again, we're going to see that content all the time is on Amazon Live. Okay, so I'm on Monday through Friday. Mark your calendars. 11 a.m. Central Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time. We can chat live, and it's a different experience, you guys. Seriously, I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Everyone in the comments is like, ooh, this is this is better than everything that I'm watching now. So you might want to get over on there, tell your friends, come join. Because honestly, it's just so fun to be able to talk with you guys live and engage back and forth. It's always fun and cool to record content and then edit it and you guys see it later. But it's just a different experience when I'm sitting there live doing my makeup. We're doing the tutorial. You can ask the question live. I can answer it. It's a lot of fun. So I really hope to see you guys there. Again, I'll link below my storefront. I'll also link below to just makeup products and all of that stuff. Just, it's all there in my storefront. Scroll. There's gift ideas for her, gift ideas for him. There's all types of gifts. So you can shop for your friends, you can shop for your boyfriend, whatever, whoever, your husband, I don't know. But get to shopping. There's clothes, there's makeup there. There's so much. So be sure to check it out. And I'm trying to think of some other updates. Look, this is an update on me. I just have had so much growth in this time. Really just taking the time to just breathe and just have a YouTube detox. Because you guys know I grew up on YouTube. So when I was 12, I made my Bratz videos. And then from 12 all the way up until now, 22, I've had 10 years of YouTube, no break. It's literally almost been 10 years. Either this month or like next month, middle of next month. So it's just crazy. I've had no detox from it. I've just been on YouTube and now I'm transitioning to grow on other platforms and things. And I'm so excited about it, but I'm not going to leave you guys here on YouTube. But it's just like, I literally grew up on YouTube. I literally grew up on YouTube. And it's crazy to be 14 to 22. You go from being a teenager to an adult. You go from that, like, you know, everyone goes through this transition from when you're a teen to an adult, and you know those awkward years. I went through those times with you guys on YouTube. You know, I didn't tell you guys everything I was going through, but now I really feel like solid and set with where I'm going, and I'm a real, you know, young adult woman, and it feels good. So we've grown up together. Anyone who has continued to watch me throughout the years, go in the comments. I see you. I know who you guys are. I will never forget you guys. And I appreciate you guys so much, because without you, I would not even get these opportunities, you know, to branch off and do other things. And YouTube's been such a blessing, and you guys have been such a blessing in my life. And I can't wait to keep making more content for you. This got really personal. You know, I'm really just happy to be able to connect with you guys here on this platform, and I'm just looking forward to the future. So if you guys have any questions about what I'm doing though, leave it in the comments, and if I get enough questions, I'll do like a Q&A or something. But it's up to you guys. Say hi, tell me what's up, what you're doing, what's your favorite song or something. But you guys, it's always so much fun to talk to you. I definitely want to do more, you know, I want to do more. So just let me know what you guys want to see and I'll get it going. But for all makeup tutorials though, those will be on Amazon Live, okay? Strictly Amazon Live, but I will share with you guys my favorite products and gifts. Like a great gift this holiday season, for instance, this shadow. So if you guys are wondering about this makeup look, you probably are. I will link below the Amazon Live I did earlier today for the tutorial and the products and all of that. I use this gorgeous palette. I didn't even use the top palette. I actually used, let's go here. Ooh, this palette right here. I use the blue and it turns out so much fun. It almost looks like I put green, but it gives me like a blue raspberry lemonade vibe. It's a lot of fun. So yeah, you guys, I hope that this update has kept you informed on what's been going on. Really just the move. I just need a little detox from YouTube. It's been 10 years and I just branched off to do other things. I really wanted to go hard in those other things. I'm still going hard in those other things, but I mean, I've just seen so much growth on Amazon Live. I will link below 2 articles that I've done about Amazon Live if you guys want some more information on it and how it's going for me. And I'm just excited for the future with Amazon Live, with YouTube, with you guys. And I cannot wait for you to just stick with me on this journey. We are going to grow together. We're going to learn makeup, great tips, beauty, fashion, and just everything involving life in general. So you guys, be sure to click that follow. Oh, I'm so used to Amazon Live. Click that follow button on Amazon Live. I'll link it below on my storefront. Have fun shopping for the holidays, and happy holidays to everyone watching. But be sure to subscribe for more YouTube videos and click that little bell next to the subscribe button for post notifications. You guys can probably see I'm a lot just more vibrant and happier now, and you know, I'm just honestly so happy that I got this opportunity with Amazon Live because it is just already been so incredible in such a short period of time. And you guys know when you work so hard on a platform, a lot of people have said in my whole just time on YouTube, I'm not going to stop obviously, but always have said like, you deserve more, you deserve this, you deserve that. But I finally realized that no matter how great your content is or how great your SEO score is and your titles, tag, description match, if YouTube doesn't promote your content, they simply don't. And I don't care, I'm gonna make this content for you guys, but I know you guys know that my makeup skills are great. This is great, this is great. Like, I understand that, but you know, on Amazon Live, it's just different, you know, so I'm gonna stay on there. And YouTube, I'm gonna be on here for you guys, the viewer watching, and I appreciate you, the viewer. And YouTube, you know, with just being a YouTuber, all YouTubers know what's been up. And you know, YouTube is, that's all I can say. But it's okay because we're on to live streaming the future. Let's go. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this. I really hope that you got my little drift there. You know, I work so hard on a platform. Literally, I've cried nights and nights and nights and worked hours and hours and hours and done research and research and research and studied my analytics for nights and hours and hours. And now I realized, you know, it was all just to learn to get to where I'm going, and it's a stepping stone. I'm so happy for YouTube, but there's nothing you can do. You know, YouTube's gonna be YouTube, and you know, it's a great stepping stone. Sending so much love to all my viewers who have stuck with me. I hope you guys understand this update, and let's chat in the comments. What do you want to see next? Do you want to see favorite? Like, what do you want to see? I will just make whatever content for you. It's about you. Okay, you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you in my next YouTube video. All right. Talk to you later. Bye, you guys.